Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 1, Introduction. Objectives. Understand the concept of Elastic Disaster Recovery, EDR, on AWS. Learn about the benefits of using EDR for disaster recovery. Explore the lifecycle of EDR, including planning, implementation, and testing. Elastic Disaster Recovery Overview. EDR is a disaster recovery solution provided by AWS that enables businesses to quickly and efficiently recover their IT systems and data in the event of a disaster. EDR leverages AWS cloud infrastructure to provide scalable and cost-effective disaster recovery capabilities. EDR is designed to be flexible and adaptable, allowing businesses to tailor their disaster recovery plans to meet their specific needs. Elastic Disaster Recovery Benefits. Cost-effective, EDR allows businesses to pay only for the resources they use, reducing the cost of maintaining a separate disaster recovery infrastructure. Scalable, EDR can easily scale up or down to accommodate changing recovery needs, ensuring that businesses can recover quickly and efficiently. Reliable, EDR leverages AWS global infrastructure, which is designed for high availability and reliability, ensuring that businesses can recover their systems and data quickly and reliably. Simplified management, EDR provides a centralized management console for managing disaster recovery plans, making it easy for businesses to monitor and maintain their recovery capabilities. Elastic Disaster Recovery Lifecycle. Planning. During this phase, businesses assess their disaster recovery needs, identify critical systems and data, and develop a disaster recovery plan. Implementation. In this phase, businesses deploy the necessary infrastructure and tools to support their disaster recovery plan, including setting up replication, monitoring, and automation tools. Testing. Businesses regularly test their disaster recovery plan to ensure that it works as intended and can recover systems and data within the required timeframe. Maintenance. Businesses continuously monitor and maintain their disaster recovery capabilities, updating their plans and infrastructure as needed to ensure they remain effective. Video. Elastic Disaster Recovery Network Architecture. This video provides an overview of the network architecture used by EDR to replicate data between on-premises systems and AWS. It explains how EDR uses VPN or Direct Connect connections to establish secure communication between on-premises systems and AWS, enabling data replication and recovery. The video also discusses best practices for designing a resilient and scalable network architecture for disaster recovery on AWS. This module provides an introduction to Elastic Disaster Recovery on AWS, outlining its objectives, benefits, lifecycle, and network architecture. It sets the foundation for understanding how EDR can help businesses recover their IT systems and data in the event of a disaster.